Okay, just a little video of what I'm working on here. Running this Sany SCC 8100. It's a 100 metric ton crane. I've got 43 meters of boom on here, and I am attached to a 3-yard clamshell bucket. And basically what I'm doing is placing material. Got this little pile of select fill here and a little pile of sand, and I can pick up about 3 yards at a time and swing it over into position here on the project up above that wall. There's structure up there that's about 700 feet long. The structure starts down here and runs way down there to that end. And we've got some guys up there working that are doing some backfill work and around some pipes, placing that sand in there and then putting the select fill over the top of it. It's about a 110-foot reach up to the edge of, you can see the building there, and that's where I'm placing the sand, is along the edge of that building. 110 foot right to that wall is where I'm placing. So basically I've got 4 different crane positions that I can set up here. Up there at the end of that wall, right up there, there's a big flat area up there, and that's what I'll call position 1. I can sit there and I can reach over the top of the structure back over this way quite a ways. Like I said, 43 meters of boom. It's about 141 feet of boom. And so that's, I can reach 120, 130, 120 easy, 130 is a bit of a stretch. There's a big swimming pool up here above this retaining wall, and that's what we're working on building right now. To get to position number 1, I have to crawl up this road right here, and anytime you're crawling on any kind of machine that's got big counterweights on the back like this, you have to actually go backwards. So I back up this hill, back up there, get up onto that position and work up there. I crawl back down here and crawl along this road here, and then I've got this position I'm in today, which is position number 2. And I can reach quite a bit of the structure here. I can get up on the roof. I can reach up on the roof, the corner of the roof of the building there. But most of this structure I built from the other side up on top of the hill. I did all of the steel frame and structural steel and trusses, roofing materials, and masonry materials, all of that, all set in place. Glass, lots and lots of glass, huge windows all over this. I'm going to show you down here where these pickup trucks are sitting below this other wall. I'll call that position number 3. I got to crawl down this road, crawl down this ramp right here, and then crawl down this road and crawl up another ramp over there to get to position number 3. And position number 4 is down where that far pickup is parked, way down there. And I can reach the roof of the house all along there. Set all these glass windows. You can see some of them through the trees here. Some of these big windows were 24 feet tall, 8 feet wide, 3 inches thick, weighed 5,000–6,000 pounds, curved glass that goes in under that rotunda there. That the blue you're looking at is actually styrofoam that's protecting the windows. And anyhow, most of those windows are about an 85-foot reach from where that pickup is sitting back to the windows there. So I can reach all the way to the top of the roof of the house there. There's a, you can just barely see, oh, right up there is a skylight. I set that. Anyhow, it's pretty tricky crawling this crane around. I actually have to do quite a bit of work over there in that area. I need to get the crane over there across the water line when this lake is full is right here at the trees. And so we're actually, the road is in the lake. It's below the water line of the lake. You can see down there, there's some pipes. Right down there, there's some pipes, and that's where we pump the lake down, keep the water out of here while we're working, which has been a long time. You can see there's a little house right over there, and that's what we call Cottage 1. And then there's another little house back around the bend over here we call Cottage 2. And a lot of crane work that's been done along there. Of course, you can see over there, there's a concrete walkway over there. We did all that with a crane. Just placed all that concrete. And that's what I'm doing here. Well, here's another shot of my boom. 141 feet of boom. It's way up there. Long reach, long reach. I wish I didn't have that much boom. It's not at all ideal to be running so much boom with a clamshell. I probably should be only running about half as much boom, but I need it to reach. I swing this clamshell way up in there. You know, this thing could probably do 3,000 or 4,000 yards a day if you were really working it hard, but this little pile right here, I won't even get through this today because these guys are up there working it by hand. And the whole reason for this is because we don't have access. Like you can see, this whole hillside is rock and trees, and the property owner does not want this disturbed as little as possible. So you can't get a machine up there to work. It's all got to be done by hand. That's it for today.